In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to invoices in Xero, a quick and simple process that can be done in just a few minutes. First things first, open your browser and navigate to the Xero accounting software login page. Once you're there, look for the login button and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, so go ahead and type in your registered email along with your password. Remember, keeping your password secure is important. Ensure it's something strong and not easily guessed. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is your control center where you can access various features of your account. Next, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side and click on the business option. Under the business menu, you'll see several options. Find and click on Invoices. This area displays all your invoice activities. Now that you're in the Invoices section, you will notice that invoices are categorized by their status, such as draft, awaiting payment, and others. Click on the awaiting payment tab. Here you will see a list of all the invoices that are yet to be settled. Each of these invoices could have important dates or notes you might want to add or update. For any invoice you choose, look at the expected date column. You will see an option to add date and notes. Clicking on this will reveal fields where you can enter any specific notes you might want the customer or your team to see. It's a handy feature for adding additional context to an invoice, especially if there are special terms or conditions. After entering the necessary information in the notes section, don't forget to click save. This ensures that all your additions are stored and visible the next time you, your team, or your customer views the invoice. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can choose an individual invoice from the awaiting payment list to view more details. Once inside the invoice, you'll find the history and notes section, typically located towards the bottom. In this section, there's an option to add note. Here too, you can enter any specifics you want to communicate and then save them. These notes are visible not just to you, but to anyone with access to these invoices in your Xero account, thus fostering better communication and record keeping within your business. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to enhancing your invoice management by adding notes in Xero. This process streamlines the way you keep track of important information, making your accounting tasks more efficient and effective. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Xero's support for further assistance. Thank you for tuning in, and happy invoicing.